What's going on? It's Thomas DeLauer, the world's #1 ketogenic diet expert. And I've got a confession to make about the ketogenic diet. Honestly, if you try to follow what most people put out there on the internet, it's not going to be sustainable. So I haven't been eating a ketogenic style my entire life, and I've never even met a normal person that can quite honestly stay keto for their whole life. However, I have figured out a way that you can get most of the benefits of a ketogenic diet without having to limit yourself to 50 grams of carbs or less per day for the rest of your life. I'm going to teach you how to do it in this video. Now, before I uncover the science behind becoming fat adapted, let me give a little recap on what's been going on during my keto takeover week here on SixPackAbs.com. Earlier this week, I announced that I am officially releasing my brand new full-length keto diet plan, KETOX. It's the first ever sugar and carb detox course that shows you how to achieve a ketogenic state and sustain the incredible benefits of being fat adapted without having to be zero carb for the rest of your life. Now, for anyone who wants a chance to enroll early to get my complete KETOX course for free, all you need to do is just click the link that's down in the description. So when you enroll early, you're also going to get a free copy of my Pizza Lover's Keto Pizza Cookbook. That's just for opting in. Now, as part of my first video within my Keto Takeover series, I shared with you the science behind the keto diet, but also how it ranks compared to other trending diets, like the Atkins diet, the paleo diet. So if you missed these videos, go back and check them out. You don't want to miss the content there. So what I want to cover in this video is the fat adaptation process. You see, what a lot of people don't think about when they're looking at the ketogenic diet is what happens to your body long term. They get so focused on thinking about the negative. They think about, whoa, wait a minute, I'm consuming more fat or I'm consuming more cholesterol. What's this going to do for me long term? They don't think about all the benefits that occur long term. You see, what actually happens, the body becomes very efficient at utilizing fats. See, everything in our bodies, everything we do is an adaptation system. Okay, if we go to the gym and we work out and we push ourselves, we get stronger because we're adapting. When we get bigger muscles, it's because our muscles are adapting. Everything's about adaptation. So the more that you expose yourself to something, the more adaptive your body gets to that. It's metabolic efficiency, and it's one of the most amazing things that us as humans have the ability to do. So with the ketogenic diet, what ends up happening is you end up conditioning your body to get used to using fats as a fuel source. So let me give you an example. You take someone that has never been in ketosis before. They've been eating carbs their entire life and they've never experienced the benefits of a ketogenic diet. Then they decide to start a keto diet. They lose a bunch of weight and they have a bunch of success and they feel amazing. Well, that person, believe it or not, could actually start eating carbs again, and their body would preferentially use fats because they've conditioned their body and they've taught their body how to do it. We call this fat adaptation. And inside our cells, we have something known as the mitochondria. Now, the mitochondria is the energy powerhouse within a cell. So when that mitochondria develops the ability, or what we like to call the mitochondrial machinery, to use fats, it doesn't lose it. You're training your cells to learn how to use fats. Research shows that it only takes 4 to 6 weeks to truly get fat adapted. Now, the thing is you have to do it properly. You can't just go cold turkey into a ketogenic state. You have to follow a specific protocol because you want to make sure that you're optimizing your cells to utilize those fats right. So when I look at a diet or I look at the ketogenic protocols, I look at them from the sense of, okay, sure, we want to lose some weight, we want to lose some fat, we want to get in amazing shape, but we also want to set ourselves up for long-term success. By allowing our body to get truly fat adapted, we set ourselves up for long-term success because a diet isn't just measured by how much you lose in a couple of weeks. Sure, that's great if you want to do a bodybuilding competition or you want to get on stage, but what about for people that truly want to lose weight and keep it off? Well, you need to get your body conditioned to use those fats. Studies are now starting to show that the brain can operate very, very, very effectively on ketones and fat. So imagine being able to lose weight, keep it off, but also heighten your brain's ability to function. You can literally be a lean, mean, smart machine. And that's what we're truly after. So let's talk about what we're gonna do in tomorrow's video. Because tomorrow's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the most delicious keto cake recipe of all time. I promise, you're not gonna wanna miss it. So I'll see you there.